Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Camera Guide, helping you learn filmmaking and photography on your mobile devices. In today's video, we're going to be doing a comparison video. We're going to be doing a $700 DSLR versus a $100 smartphone. Now, for the DSLR, we have the Canon 70D, which right now used runs about $500, $600, and then the lens I have is about a $200 lens, so maybe even up into the $800 price range here. And then we have a $100 smartphone here. This is the iPhone SE. You can pick it for $100 used or even brand new, pretty much everywhere. It's starting to go out because came out in 2016. 70D I think came out more 2015-ish. But we're gonna be comparing them, saying, is it even worth it to go up to spending $700, $800 on a DSLR? Or can you get just as good as results on a $100 phone? So what I'm gonna do is have an A clip and a B clip, and you're gonna have to choose which one is the Canon 70D and which one is the iPhone SE. So if you want to know the answer right away before watching the video clips, you can skip ahead to this timeline in the video and I'll announce to you which one was which. But otherwise, it'd probably be better just to watch this through, see which one you think looks better. Is it video number A or video number B? And then at the end, we're going to reveal which one was which. So without further ado, let's get into the tests. Alright, so are you ready to know which footage was which? Well, here it is. Camera A was the Canon 70D and Cam B was the iPhone SE. And when you compare the prices of both of those, you got the iPhone SE, which is $100, and then you have this camera, which can get up in the price range of $800 or more. And then plus you want to probably buy multiple lenses along with it, so it gets even higher. There's not that dramatic of a difference when it comes to the quality. Now granted, the Canon 70D does have, I can get close and it'll blur the background out. I can understand that, and a lot of people like the zoom lens. But I mean, if you're just making YouTube videos where you're talking to the camera, why not just use the iPhone SE? As long as you got lights and maybe a nice background, we could go outside and have a good background, and then good audio. That's all you really need, unless you're trying to do professional photography or you want to do super pro video, which, I mean, you can already get some pretty professional results on the iPhone SE, as I proved in this video, which I'll link in the description below, where I make some awesome cinematic footage just with the iPhone SE, with a bit of help from a stabilizer. But still, waste that extra $700, you could use that for accessories for your phone, whether it's stabilizers, whether it's a microphone, whether it's lenses you want to put on there to give you a wider depth, wider angle. What are your thoughts about this test? Let me hear them down in the comments section. Let me know which you would prefer to use. As for me and the content I do, I honestly don't really have a use for this camera other than filming myself, you know, make these videos about the iPhone. So it may be actually time to sell this guy and get something a lot cheaper to film myself with, because I can do basically the same results on an iPhone SE. Heck, I could just buy a second iPhone SE, set it up here, and film myself on an iPhone SE while teaching people how to use the iPhone SE for video. But anyway, thank you for watching today's video. If you're looking to get cinematic results on the iPhone SE, look in the description below. I'll leave links to how to make Android videos and iPhone videos cinematic, and I'll see you guys in the next video.